So what is a black hole? A black hole is one of the strangest and most terrifying objects in the universe. It is a place where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It bends space and time itself into a trap that swallows everything that comes too close. The basics. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity at the end of its life. With no force left to push outward, the star's core caves in. The result is a single point of infinite density, called a singularity, wrapped in a boundary known as the event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return. Cross it, and escape becomes impossible. Matter, light, even time itself is pulled inward, never to emerge again. Black holes come in different sizes. Some are a few times the mass of our sun. Others, called supermassive black holes, are millions or even billions of times heavier, lurking at the center of galaxies. How it works. The key to a black hole is its gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls objects together. The more mass something has, the stronger its gravity. In a black hole, all that mass is crushed into an infinitely small point. That means its gravity becomes overwhelming. If you get close, time itself begins to distort. To an outside observer, someone falling toward a black hole would appear to move slower and slower, never quite crossing the event horizon. But to the person falling in, the journey ends in an instant. Inside the event horizon, the rules of physics, as we know them, break down. Space and time are warped beyond recognition, and what lies beyond the singularity remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. History/origins. The idea of black holes goes back centuries. In the late 1700s, Jean Michel and Pierre-Simon Laplace wondered if stars could exist with gravity so strong that even light could not escape. In the early 1900s, Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity gave the math that made them possible. Soon after, Carl Schwarzschild found the first exact solution that described what we now call a black hole. At first, even Einstein doubted they could exist in reality, but over time, evidence piled up. In the 1960s, astronomers discovered X-rays pouring from collapsed stars, the first hints of black holes. By the 2000s, scientists tracked stars orbiting an invisible monster at the center of our Milky Way. Proof of a supermassive black hole. And in 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured the very first image of a black hole's shadow, confirming what theory had predicted for over a century. Impact/legacy. Black holes are not just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They play a central role in shaping galaxies, controlling how stars are born and how galaxies evolve. They also push science to its limits. Black holes are where general relativity and quantum mechanics collide. Two theories that normally don't agree. To understand black holes fully is to uncover the deepest laws of the universe. And they capture the imagination. Black holes are staples of science fiction, symbols of mystery, destruction, and the unknown. But they are also very real, and some are closer to Earth than you might expect. Random facts that don't seem real. If you fell into a black hole feet first, you'd be stretched into spaghetti by tidal forces, a process scientists literally call spaghettification. At the center of our Milky Way is a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius, a star, 4 million times more massive than the Sun. Some black holes spin so fast they drag space and time around with them. Not everything gets sucked in. Black holes can launch powerful jets of energy that shoot across entire galaxies. Tiny, primordial black holes may have formed just after the Big Bang, some no bigger than an atom, but with the mass of a mountain. Conclusion. So, what is a black hole? It is a star's grave and the universe's trap. It is a place where light dies and time itself twists. It is both a destroyer and a key to cosmic creation. And it is a reminder that the universe is stranger, darker, and more powerful than we can ever imagine. If you also like learning random things, subscribe. You have found your happy place. Poem, Pull. A shadow hung in endless night. It swallows time, it swallows light. No scream escapes, no signal flies. A silent mouth that eats the skies. What waits within we cannot see. The edge of truth, infinity.